Hi, welcome back to JJ Treasures. Going for a bit of a different look with the channel now, and wanted to introduce my partner who's going to be doing videos with me.
Hello.
This is Jordan.
My name's Jordan.
Hello. And obviously I'm Jo, which I don't think I've ever said my name in the videos, so...
There you go, that's a first.
There's my name now, you know.
That's an exclusive first right there.
Okay, so today I'm going to be, well, we are going to be starting off by showing you what is in this exclusive Buffy box, which is from Zavvi.
Yeah, it's
called the Z
Box,
which is usually like a subscription, but this is a special 20-year anniversary.
Yeah. And
it's Buffy, so I had to get it because it's my fave.
You've been itching to open this one.
I've literally had this box for so long, so I'm so eager to get into it.
Waiting for us to get started.
Just need to get into it.
Well, go ahead. Get started.
I'm gonna make sure I've got some scissors with me because they might come in handy.
They might do. We're not sure what to expect here, to be honest.
Yeah, so it's got, as you can see, like some patterns on the side, which is quite typical of Buffy stuff, and the logo there as well.
Yeah.
With the 20 years of slaying for the anniversary. Actually going to finally find out what's in here now, which is exciting.
Bit of plastic situation going on.
Yeah. Can I actually do this on camera? Who knows?
Need some sort of cutting tool for future things, I think.
I think this is okay. I think it's open.
Let's do it.
Oh,
nice.
yes! We did it. Okay. Let's have a look. Oh, here's a little...
Record, share, love.
Record, share, love.
We're doing one of those so far.
We're recording. The loving will happen when we see what's in there.
Hopefully.
And then the sharing will be... Okay, so... Oh.
I can see some
literally need to
interesting things going on here.
Into the box there.
Yeah. Do a little lift. So we've got a t-shirt, is that on top maybe?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's a t-shirt, and then there's some more boxes in there. Oh, I'm getting excited. I think there's like some blind boxes. What's the first thing here? Okay. So I don't know if there's like a little card or anything that tells me about what's in here.
That might be something.
I think there's something in the bottom here.
Yeah. Oh, it's like a little poster.
Okay. So if we kind of... I just want to take out... So you can see it's got this little thing in the bottom here.
Yeah.
Which is the into every generation Slayer is born. So that's kind of the little thing that they used to have before the show. Yeah. Kind of thing. If you watch Buffy, you'll know what that is.
Should we put the box out of the way a sec so we can just get...
Yeah.
I'll put it down there.
And then we'll get into stuff here. So I think here is... okay, I thought this is actually like some sort of card to tell me what was in here, but apparently not.
No. There is no such card.
So it's kind of like, I say, like some sort of exclusive,
it's like a little poster.
Card poster, which is very cool.
Yeah, that's cool.
With the Scooby Gang, as they were known. And this is, I'd probably say from like season 1 or 2.
Yeah, it's quite
very
early
early
on.
Seasons, because
Angel's still there.
Angel's still there.
That's how you can tell.
Oz is there though, so
yeah,
you know, a little bit later than season 1, I'm thinking.
Yeah, a bit later.
Okay, right. So the first thing that I came to was this, and I actually no longer think this is a t-shirt because I think there's like a t-shirt here.
Yeah.
So this has got Sunnydale High Razorbacks.
Oh.
Oh, wow.
It's like a bag.
Yeah, it's like a canvas tote bag.
Yeah.
That's really
Maybe
cool.
I'll try and get it all in there. I thought it was going to be an apron for a second.
Yeah, so did I. That was quite funny. And it says, Legendary Slaying Team, Home of the Razorbacks.
Yeah.
EST 97.
It's pretty
Wow, that's cool. I like that. That'll be useful. I have lots of bags like this lying around.
cool. Plenty of bags. Another one to add to the collection.
It's very cool. Okay, what else have we got here as well? I think I'm going to go for all the big things first. Okay, so this looks like it's a t-shirt of some sort.
Yeah, looks like it.
So, you basically, when you ask for one of these boxes, I have no idea if you can still get them. I would assume so.
Maybe.
You have to give them your sizing.
Yeah.
Wow.
Cool.
Oh my gosh. So I
Yeah,
have
try and
the
get the whole seal in there.
seal of... Is that seal? Seal of Banzilvar. That is...
Danzel. Is it
Danzilvar. That's the one. That's like really towards the end of the series.
Yeah.
Kind of thing. So it's something that I can't remember very much about. I definitely need to go and rewatch the series.
Yeah, we've been talking about that.
And if you haven't seen the series, you need to, because it's been like 20 years. Come on, sort it out. It's got kind of like short sleeves, so it's not like a long sleeve.
Yeah, it's sort of like in between a long sleeve and a short sleeve.
To be fair. Which looks really awesome. I've never had any Buffy t-shirts or anything,
cool
so
toy.
put that under my bag. Oh my goodness, they're giving me a lot of clothing here. So
It's like a jumper.
it looks like a jumper as well.
Yeah.
It looks like there is a jumper inside of this. It looks really heavy as well. Oh
Yeah.
my gosh.
So good.
Wow. Oh my gosh.
There you
Okay,
go.
so here is this great big Sunnydale High jumper.
Yeah. It's cool.
97 till 2003, is that?
Yeah.
I think that's what it's supposed to be, the dates.
Yeah.
And it's just like a big red jumper. It's not.
Yeah, that's cool.
It's
Is that,
not like a
is that
hoodie or
what the
anything.
uniform's like in the show? I can't remember.
No, I would say they've kind of like updated it.
Yeah.
But they've given it its own like unique retro look.
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah, that's really cool. I like that. That is going to be worn on some freezing cold days. Which, it's just getting to summer, so,
Yeah.
you know, it won't be long before winter's here.
Yeah, the weather today doesn't say that, but it is supposed to be summer.
It's already like a typical English weather. Okay, so I'm going to leave this. I've got what's here is this mystery cardboard box.
Mystery box.
A mystery box within a mystery box. And I've seen these online.
Yeah.
I've been looking at
Have a look.
getting these before.
Yeah, we got all different
Got the
characters
Buffy Titans figures.
there. Yeah.
And
Oh, there's loads.
yeah, so it shows you all the different characters there to collect.
There's like
Oh, they've
different
got
rare
Faith
ones.
as well, that's good.
There's-
They've got different rarities.
Yeah, there's 4 like mystery ones.
Yeah.
An Angel, Willow,
So,
a Buffy,
I know,
and a
should we open
Xander.
should we open this one at the end of the video?
I don't know.
Or
We
should
can
we
open that one
save
now
it
if you like.
towards... We'll open this one, okay.
Yeah, let's leave the big
So-
mystery one. We have an idea of what this one is. The other one we don't.
We,
Who do you want?
got
Do you
like
think?
I'm trying to see if there's like, it says like chances 2 out of 20 and 1 out of 20.
Yeah.
And then there's like some chasers here.
Yeah, there's
Chaser
2 on the
Angel,
other side as
Chaser
well.
Willow, and then a
Chaser.
Chaser Buffy and Chaser Xander.
Yeah.
I quite like the idea of getting Faith, to be honest.
Yeah, you do like Faith, don't you?
She is one of my favourite. I just love the little
Yeah.
character designs for these. They just
They
look
look
really
almost
funny.
like Lego, don't they?
Yeah, they're quite amusing.
Wow.
Well, let's have a look anyway.
Yeah.
It's like already slightly open, so it's kind of
Yeah.
tempting me.
That was strange. Maybe it would be weird if they like put a special one in there or something.
Yeah, I don't know.
The
Okay,
bag
so it's in-
situation.
Got it sealed in a little blind bag.
Mm.
I'm trying to look for a test strip and I can't actually see one. Maybe it will
There it
require
is.
scissors. Is there one?
just there.
Oh yeah, there is. Okay.
See what you get.
Oh, I think we maybe got Angel.
Oh.
Oh, we have as well. Oh
There he
my
is.
gosh.
And that
Look at
is.
this guy. Is that
Oh,
the
that's-
normal one or the chaser one?
I think that's the chaser. Because the
Oh, it
normal one's a
is.
vampire.
Yeah, the normal one is.
Okay, yeah, it's quite hard to see, but he's a
Vampire
vampire
Angel.
angel, and this one
And
clearly
he's got
isn't.
like he's wearing all black.
Yeah,
And this is
yeah. So
human.
that must
Well,
be
I say human.
this chaser here, I think.
Look at this little guy.
That's cool.
It's funny that.
Oh, it says that some of them come with accessories. Does he?
Really?
Yeah, some of them
know.
do.
I don't think he
No,
does.
I don't think it does.
He doesn't need accessories. He's just. Oh, look, he's got a little. Here's
that's
the
cool.
little Lego on his foot there.
Yeah. Yeah, let's try and get focus there.
Anyway, he's pretty cute.
Yeah.
He's got like little.
A little bit
little-
of articulation in his arms.
They look like the little Lego.
Yeah.
It's, it's quite funny.
Yeah, he looks really
'Cause it-
serious.
It looks like it's Angel, of course. he
Yeah, I
looks
know.
serious. He looks like
His necktie.
he's got like a normal like sized doll's head, and then just
Yeah.
really like bizarre body.
You
that
could
they
like
just
take
stuck
that
on
head
his
off and put it onto a Barbie, and there wouldn't be any issue there. Right, are you gonna open the mystery
Really
box?
bizarre. Yeah, okay. We should do that.
And put all this stuff in it.
Put him back in the box.
You gotta put them
or-
back in there.
I'll
Okay.
put him back in the box for now.
Okay.
Okay. Let's try and move.
I'll get rid
some
of this little bit of rubbish here.
Okay, cool. Thank you.
It's okay. Right, so we don't have any clue what this one is.
They're literally.
It looks
okay.
like it's been
Feels quite
specially made
heavy.
for this box because it's got the 20 years of slaying thing on the top.
Yeah.
So I'm guessing it's got. This is some sort of special thing for the box.
I'm trying to like. Failing to cut a proper hole in it.
As long as you only cut
Yeah.
holes in that, it's fine.
Yeah, there we go. Okay, we've got it open. Oh, it opens really. Oh, it's a mug.
It's a mug.
Okay. This was literally the reason why I was hoping that the box was in okay condition, because it'd been moved
Yeah.
around a few times, and I thought if there's a mug, I hope it's okay. It's okay, apparently, and it has a little razorback face on it, which is just.
That'd be good for me in the mornings because that's what I look like. I can,
I'm quite sure you didn't. Oh, and there on the back is the Sunnydale High logo.
yeah, that's cool.
That's really cool for me. I can sit and drink something out of this and look at the Sunnydale High yearbook that I have. I have a ton of Buffy books and other things as well.
Yeah.
So. But
that's cool.
these are the first like new things that I've
Yeah.
had, because obviously,
It's difficult to get your hands on Buffy stuff nowadays compared to how it used to be.
yeah, it's usually like second hand.
Yeah.
So
I remember you saying that you wanted a poster, so it's cool that you got a
there we
poster.
go. I have a poster now.
And you
It's
got
like-
a
it's like a
t-shirt
little
jumper.
card
I
one.
think that's
Yeah.
gone quite well, really.
That's done.
Yeah. Well, I think, should we try and get a
Okay.
shot of all the stuff together? Maybe take the scissors out. But yes, this is what we got in the box. Yeah, I think it was
That was fun.
pretty cool.
liked
I mean, we
that.
got a chaser as well.
Yeah,
So
I didn't
that
even
was,
expect to get cheese.
no, to be fair, there are like 4, I suppose, but still, that's 1 in 40 chance. That's pretty good.
That's good.
But yeah, so we've got a lot of stuff to open soon, haven't we?
Yeah, we have tons. This
Yeah.
is literally...
This is the tip of the iceberg, really. This is the one that we want to do first because you've been waiting so long.
Yeah, I needed to open this and find out what's in there finally.
Yeah, so there'll definitely be some more videos coming. Thank you for watching.
Yeah, give it a like, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe if you want to see more.
Yeah, definitely. Well, thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.
Okay, bye.